improvements that the Japanese have done. There was a point there where the production process of this MHU, the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, was being highlighted, as Hiri has also said. Maybe that because Japanese have made a leap and bounds improvement in the process, and this thing.
Make learning a habit, make your workplace a learning place. When the leader takes the initiative to help team members learn, they have a tremendous sense of gratitude towards them.
It's given me great pleasure to attend this valedictory function, which has been very different from the normal valediction we attend, where somebody comes, speaks, and you say thank you and move on.
This program is designed to help you grow up as a leader. And you should start acting as a leader. That's very important. And leaders are remembered.
Shiva, this is last. Moge. Sandeep, bye. Video. Hi Nidhi.